Hi everyone, we will learn matrices introduction. Course outcome of this video to develop the use of matrix algebra techniques which is needed by engineers for practical applications. The real-time applications of matrices in study of electrical circuits and which is useful in quantum mechanics and optics, and we use in a resistor conversion of electrical energy into useful energy. Then we will apply matrix concepts in a Kirchhoff law of voltage and current. In geology, it is useful for taking seismic surveys and which is useful for modeling wireless signals and to optimize them. What do you know about a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers into rows and columns. And for matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns are given here. So look at the matrix. A is equal to, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Matrix dimensions. How we write the matrix? So for look at this matrix, B equal to minus 8, 4, 23, 12, 18, 10. How many rows you have? There are 3 rows, minus 8, minus 4. This is first row, second row, third row, and 2 columns. So we write 3 cross 2 matrix. So which is the matrix dimensions, remember, row into columns. Definitions of few definitions we will see. A matrix with only one row, we call it as row matrix. So look at this example, 1, 2, 4, which has only one row, we call it as row matrix. A matrix with only one column, we call it as column matrix or column vector. So here you could see only one column, so which is 3 cross 1. Next we will see square matrix. A square matrix which will have equal number of rows and columns. So the number of rows we say m and number of columns we take it as n, where m equal to n. So A equal to, this is an example where this is an 3 cross 3 matrix. M rows and n columns, 3 rows and 3 columns. Diagonal elements of a matrix. So the elements A, I, J of a matrix, where I equal to J, we call it as diagonal elements. And the line along which they line, we call it as principal diagonal. Here you could see the principal diagonal 1, 3, 4, which are diagonal elements. Diagonal matrix. So what do you mean by diagonal matrix? So in diagonal matrix, we have Aij not equal to 0, where I equal to J, Aij equal to 0. That is Aij, which means the diagonal elements. So the diagonal elements are, which we have values in the diagonal elements, the remaining other values are 0. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are equal, we call it as scalar matrix. Look at this. Diagonal elements are same and other elements are 0. This is a scalar matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? In upper triangular matrix, the entry values below the leading diagonals are 0. The below the leading diagonal, this is a diagonal, below the leading diagonal are zeros. We call it as, that is a triangular shape. The triangular values are formed here in the upper portion. So we call it as upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. In lower triangular matrix, all the entry values above the leading diagonals are 0. So the diagonal elements are that the above all the values are 0. The triangle is formed in the lower part. So we call it as lower triangular matrix. Equality of matrices. So when do you say two matrices are equal? So look at this matrix A and B matrix. We could see all the entries are same and their dimension also equal. So it is 3 cross 3 matrix. Here also we could see 3 cross 3 matrix and entries are also equal. So A equal to B. Next we will see identity matrix. So identity matrix is one whose leading diagonal entries are 1s. The leading diagonal entries you could see all the values are 1. We call it as identity matrix. and other values are 0. Next we will see transpose of a matrix. So what is a transpose of a matrix? We take it as we write it as A dash or A power T. Suppose A equal to Aij. We take this matrix A equal to, we have taken 3 cross 3 matrix. What is A dash? Just transpose all rows into columns. So here I have changed rows into columns. 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 3 has been written in row. So this is the transpose of A. Symmetric matrices. A symmetric matrix A equal to Aij, where this is said to be symmetric when Aij equal to Aji. That is, when we take a matrix, when you take the transpose, if both are equal, we call A and A dash are symmetric matrices. So look at this example. We have taken 3 cross 3 matrix, and after transposing, we get the same matrix, both are equal. We say A and A dash are symmetric matrices. And what is a determinant of a matrix? Let A equal to Aij be a square matrix of order n, and determinant Aij of order n is called determinant of square matrix. That is, we have to take the determinant of A. Singular and non-singular matrix. Singular matrix, we call it as a singular when determinant A equal to 0. And if a determinant A is not equal to 0, we call it as a non-singular matrix. So for example, we have given 2, 1, 3, 5, that is A. On finding determinant A, we get 7, which is not equal to 0. So this is an non-singular matrix. And here we get determinant of B equal to 0. This B is a singular matrix. Thank you.